Dealing with difficult employees can be really tough, but with the right strategies, you can handle them without losing your mind. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Now, I'm a recovering difficult employee handler, and in this video I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I've learned over the years that have helped me keep my sanity intact while dealing with these difficult employees. The first thing I want you to do is you need to acknowledge the difficult employee. Difficult employees may have a reputation as troublemakers, but it's important to remember that everyone can have a bad day. That includes you and me. Acknowledging a difficult employee will go a long way towards helping them feel appreciated and respected. It's also important to be patient and understanding when dealing with a difficult employee. The funny thing is, they may not even be aware of how their behavior is impacting others in the workplace. Number 2 is I want you to address issues quickly. Don't let small issues fester. Nip the problems in the bud before they become bigger ones. Difficult employees can sense when you're avoiding addressing an issue. So take action quickly if there's something that needs to be discussed. Step 3 is set clear expectations. Listen, difficult employees often don't understand the expectations of their job. So it is very important for you to be clear and consistent in your communication. Make sure this difficult employee understands exactly what is expected of them in terms of performance, behavior, and deadlines. Side note, in the description, you'll find a free guide that will help you develop your leadership skills further, so do not hesitate. Grab it now. Now, number 4 is don't take it personal. Difficult employees can push a manager's buttons and cause frustration like nobody's business. But it is very important that you remember, that you understand this isn't personal. Difficult employees may have underlying issues that are causing them to act out in the workplace. So as long as you remain professional and do not take things personally, you will be able to handle any situation with grace. What I'm not saying right now is that it will be easy. It's not. Sometimes things feel personal. But just remember, the difficult employee, it's kind of a them problem. 5, emphasize positive behavior. Difficult employees need to be reminded that positive behavior and performance will be rewarded. So don't ignore difficult employees' good work. It's important to acknowledge it, even if it seems unremarkable. This will help them appreciate and more likely they'll continue with positive behaviors in the future. Number 6 is listen. Difficult employees often feel unheard or misunderstood. So listening is a key skill for managers when dealing with difficult employees. Make sure you're giving them an opportunity to speak and express their opinions without judgment. This will help them feel respected and valued and part of the team. Number 7 is keep things professional. Difficult employees can test even the most patient of managers. But it's important to remain professional at all times and to enforce consistent consequences for inappropriate behavior. Difficult employees, they need to understand that their behavior will not be tolerated in the workplace. And setting boundaries is an essential part of managing them effectively. If you're finding value so far, do me a solid. Clack that like button so that I understand where I can provide value. Number 8, and I've said this in other videos, document everything. Difficult employees can often challenge decisions or blame others for their mistakes. So it's very important to document any conversations or issues that arise with the employee. This paperwork can be used as evidence if you find yourself faced with a formal complaint or accusation from the difficult employee later on. Number 9 is seek support. Difficult employees can be emotionally draining. So make sure you're taking time to look after your own well-being too. Talk to colleagues or managers who have experience in dealing with difficult employees, specifically this difficult employee. or speak to a professional if you need extra support. Do not let a difficult employee drag you down from being the best. And next, celebrate success. Listen, difficult employees can be hard work, but when they do achieve success, it's important to celebrate. No matter how small the accomplishment may seem, make sure you're acknowledging it and thanking them for their efforts. This will reinforce the positive behaviors that you want in the future. No manager that I've ever met enjoys dealing with difficult employees. But with patience and understanding, these tips can make the process so much smoother. And please understand this: difficult employees are an unavoidable part of any workplace. But with the right approach, managers can ensure that everyone is respected and treated fairly, no matter their behavior. Now, if you have a difficult employee, you may want to watch this video as well, because you won't believe what the staff had to say. See you there. Get your coffee. Ciao.